Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 4, Part B. Samira picks one of these cards at random and replaces it. In Part A, we were supposed to find the probability that she picks an odd number. Now, Part B is Samira repeats this 35 times. Calculate the number of times Samira is expected to pick an odd number. Let's review the probability we calculated in Part A for selecting odd numbers, which is 4/7. To determine the probability of odd numbers in 35 trials, we multiply this probability by 35. Now, 4/7 multiplied by 35 will result into 20. Therefore, the expected probability of odd numbers is 20. Excellent! We have successfully solved the question. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.